What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about a position that I talked about a while ago. It was maybe 2 weeks ago that I mentioned this, and when I did talk about it, I had about 2.8K views on this video. But the more important part of this video is all the information that came within it. You could see the charting and how the chart picked up and how the price really moved to a way higher level, but it held at these levels. And because people like the benefits that came with this meme coin. So I want to talk about this. I want to go into the details, compare it to where it was to where it is right now, as well as look at some other detail about this Solana based meme coin. But before we do that, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links down below, feel free to check out those links. It does help out the channel. And if you want to check out my link for SMOG, feel free to check out that link down below to look at it yourself, and all of the other detail there. I'll provide all the links for SMOG down there. But like I said, Solana-based meme coins are a big thing right now. The creation of meme coins are huge on many different chains, whether you're talking about AVAX, Cardano, you're talking about Ethereum. It doesn't matter. All of the chains are creating projects that are meme based, that are catching a lot of popularity, and Solana is creating a ton of them. And I think when it comes to being the king or being crowned as the king of Solana based meme coins, you need to put your money where your mouth is, right? And I think SMOG has kind of been doing that. Like I said, 2 weeks ago, I released a video talking about SMOG and the price, and we'll get into the comparison exactly of that in a little bit. But first, let's go into the website a little bit to understand, kind of what it is, right? And honestly, you can't really explain it better than it's a meme coin, right? It's looking to top everything that's built on the Solana chain, and honestly top everything that's created that's meme coin based, whether it's Pepe, whether it's Bonk, whether it's Shiba Inu, whether it's Dogecoin. It doesn't matter. They're looking to do that. And as you have from this blurb, the mighty SMOG reigns over the crypto battlefield, incinerating all its foes. And as the dragon fire burns, the greatest airdrop in history gathers pace. No other meme coin can survive its fiery flames or fury flames. Buy and hold SMOG and gain, or sorry, to gain airdrop points, and join the dragon in vanquishing his enemies. It's very simple, right? You're looking to hold or stake to earn. You had a fair launch. You can claim your airdrops. And just as information, there was an airdrop that happened, I believe, on the 21st, I want to say. It was on the 21st. I want to make sure I have this data correct as I'm going through all of this. I believe they did have an airdrop to where they airdropped to the Dog with Hat community, people that held over 3K worth tokens. So that's a big deal. That's a huge deal to be able to have that and experience that as an investor, to be able to be given free things, especially something that has increase in price, right? So when we look at where it was, where this Solana-based meme coin SMOG was not too long ago, 2 weeks ago, we talked about it, and it held these prices. And now we're seeing it at a much higher price. We've seen it get to a much higher price. We've seen it at a much higher market cap. And right now, or in this video, it was at a 28 or $29 million market cap. But when we look at it now and we go over to Coin Market Cap, we're going to see that it's at a $51.9 million market cap, showing that it has increased in value. You're also seeing the price that's at about 6 cents, and it's currently up 37% over all history, which has been somewhere around this month, within this month, because that's the last time I reviewed it. I guess if we look at it before that, it wasn't on CoinMarketCap before that, so it was around 2 weeks ago. But since tracking, it's up 37%. Just imagine before tracking, it's up a lot more at that point. Now, you do have about $1 million worth of volume, which is definitely good. 55% of the supply that is out there. And the interesting thing is, as you're seeing this growth that it has had, this has happened without having any major, tier 1 or tier 2 exchanges. Not saying that they won't have tier 1 or tier 2 exchanges in their back pocket and they're not currently talking to them. That's something that can't be said. But when you do see these exchanges that come on board, just imagine the growth that you are going to see with SMOG. I've already seen the popularity where many people have mentioned this to me, which is always a test to see whether they are going to be popular, but you see it from the growth that it has had, right? From a $29 million market cap up to a $52 million market cap. And honestly, when you look at this at a higher point, it was at almost a 10-cent price. It almost dropped another zero. It almost dropped this zero of being, instead of being at 1 cent or 2 cents or wherever, 3 cents down here, it got all the way up to closing in on that 10-cent level on the 16th. And then again, later that day on the 16th. So we did see that it started to pull back with the rest of the market. And now you're seeing a little bit of a bounce, and it's back up to 7 cents ish. So honestly, this is looking like something that could have some decent sized potential. Now, what I want to do is take you through exactly what the not the goals, but the accomplishments are here. Just take you through a little bit of where they are. At one point, they saw a $71 million market cap, which was way more than double what that initial market cap was when I reviewed the video. Immediately after I reviewed the video, you saw some gains, you saw some movement, and you saw some holding of that traction. It wasn't just something that increased, it was something that held at those levels. Well, you saw a $71 million market cap. It was up 68% at one point in 24 hours. It's currently number 16th by coin market cap, or on coin market cap by the coin meme coin listing. You do have 20,000 plus holders within the position, which is again crazy. You've seen a lot of plays that have been on multiple exchanges that do not have 20,000 holders. So that doesn't go unnoticed. And as they have more airdrops, you do have more holders and more people that believe in it to be able to benefit from this overall. 24-hour volume reached 2 million at one point. And like I said, SMOG had an airdrop with the Dog with Hat community with people that held over 3K tokens. Now, they do have, from what I understand, and I'm not going to say any names because it's not good to say names, because you don't want to ruin any type of partnerships by just saying that these are in the works, because exchanges like to announce these things. So apparently they have multiple exchanges that they are in conversations with to get launched on those exchanges. So just imagine when this does get launched on those exchanges, how much volume you will end up seeing this or take place here, and how many people that will be more willing to hold, as you have airdrops that are coming on, as you have people that are gaining benefits from it and being a very rewarding token for a lot of people. So again, it's been nothing but positive things, because there have been nothing but positive things that have happened since I've made that video, which is great to see. So guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out SMOG yourself, you can use my links down below and give it a look yourself, and maybe you'll like it, maybe you don't. You make that decision. Definitely do your own research to see what it's all about, but it's very simple. It is a meme coin, and they're looking to benefit a lot of the people, a lot of the holders that are in it. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.